conflict and arguments and aggression is based off hurt and fear and pain, whereas what's based off courage and empowerment or inner power and clarity and the ability to choose, which is a form of strength. It's empowering to be able to choose and to see clearly and lucidly. That is based off that is strength, and that is love, and that is goodness, that is courage, and it's not courage and bravery to be aggressive or to act out of fear, but to push through your fear. Like, not when it's in a form of conflict or hurting others. That's a form of disconnection. Like when we're disconnected from the whole, the group, the world, our own hearts, which are compassionate and loving in our heart. That's only when we were willing or wanting to hurt anyone else via physically in a war or battle or conflict, or verbally and emotionally in a personal encounter in the home or with people we know or love. So don't be confused to think it's having a conflict is being strong and brave and hurtful, or strong and brave and empowered. It's not. It's actually like the opposite, in my opinion. It's more like not that case. What's much more, in my opinion, what's more courageous and heart aligned is to be vulnerable and to show your weakness or your flaws, especially like emotionally, to be sort of exposed or to be naked and vulnerable emotionally. Like what say what you're afraid of. Say I'd really like to meet you. I feel disappointed and sad now because I really wanted to meet you, and but without criticizing or putting anybody down. To show our true selves, everyone, is courage and bravery, and that's called intimacy or intimacy, and that's bravery and courage. That's strength, and it's also called vulnerability. So to diffuse an argument, to stop a conflict, to cease and to quit a conflict or argument, and to be loving and heart-centered instead, that is power and clarity, and that's strength and courage. That's empowerment. So I want to just clear that up, and I express my love and care for all, because I do know, and I've been through it myself, when we are feeling hurt and pain, we tend to attack, and we feel attacked, and sometimes we are attacked. But the real strength is to see through the hurt and pain and suffering in others, and to look and to see the needs and wishes of another person, and to see the vulnerability and the struggle and the hurt and pain in another person, as I already said. That's so beautiful. That's gorgeous. That's high vibrational. That's 5D living instead of 3D. That's pushing up there towards words like ascension, and of course with ascension we do not leave anyone behind. We're on the path here, and we pull up the group. We shine our light instead of being pulled down to the darkness. We pull up others with our light, and that's what this message is all about. So thanks for watching. Lots of love to you, and be sure to tune in for more videos on holistic living, body, mind, spirit, and connect with me in my description below, and look forward to hearing from you again next time. Love to connect.